I have a jelly in my fridge. I'm gonna show you. It's here. It's over here, so I'm gonna get it. Get it already. Get this one.
I already done it.
Aww. That's our room.
It's your favorite. Daddy, I told you to get the rice.
Jellies. Plum. I'm going to shake it.
There's pork na ba?
No.
Oh,
Shake it up.
anak. Ibalik mo yan sa rep. Parang pag-in mo ni ka.
Bye, guys. You put it in back to the fridge. I put it back to my fridge and then do it for 3 minutes. Okay? Bye. Have to eat. So, guys, so I cook it already. And
Hindi, wala naman ka-juice, babe.
Naman, just dito, babe.
it looks like a rice. Just put it in the fridge. I have a fridge. And then, yeah, the fridge. And now,
Wala na, pinagpalit na yung ML dito.
and you put any soup that you want.
Ginait na, day, babe.
And
Babe.
put
Come here.
sugar and salt. I mean, yeah, salt only. And now let's
Dapat na ako ng pwesto, babe.
and I put veggies. I think it's gonna taste weird.
No, it's not weird.
That's so yummy. My dad is also trying that what I